Greetings, fantastic members of the Scholarship Guidebook community. Today's video is your key to unlocking the secrets behind the successful Lithuania State Scholarships 2024 application. Throughout the video, I'll provide comprehensive information on the scholarship summary, scholarship coverage, available programs, eligibility criteria, documents required, and the step-by-step guide on how to apply. Moreover, I've prepared an online apply video guide in the end of that video, specifically for students who may encounter challenges with the online application process. But before we dive into the video, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel for future updates. If you find the content informative, a thumbs up would mean the world to me. And, of course, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Your engagement and support are immensely appreciated. Scholarship Overview. The Lithuania State Scholarships 2024 in Lithuania are currently accepting applications, welcoming candidates from designated countries to pursue master's degree programs. Offered by the Lithuanian Government, these scholarships aim to assist outstanding students by covering their tuition fees. No application fee is necessary, and a total of 140 scholarships for full-time master's degree studies are available this year. If you don't have an IELTS score but need to demonstrate your English proficiency, Lithuania offers alternative options. TEFL. Widely accepted in Lithuania, the test of English as a foreign language can be used as a substitute for the IELTS. Cambridge English qualifications. Scores from exams such as C1 Advanced or C2 Proficiency are globally recognized and can be utilized for university applications in Lithuania. Proof of prior education. If you have completed a program with English as the medium of instruction, a certificate from that institution can serve as evidence of your proficiency. University-specific tests. Many universities conduct their own English proficiency exams. Passing these exams can exempt you from the requirement of submitting an IELTS score for admission. Scholarship Summary. Offered by the Lithuanian higher education institutions, this scholarship is available for master's degree programs. It provides full funding and is open to applicants of all nationalities. The award is to be utilized in Lithuania, Europe. The deadline for application submission is May 6, 2024. Scholarship coverage. Lithuania State Scholarships 2024 in Europe will provide the recipient with the following benefits. The higher education facility in Lithuania will not impose any form of tuition fees on the applicants. The cost of tuition for all master's programs will be zero. Monthly stipend of €550 per month. Housing support. Private health insurance. Travel support, once a year, at a yearly determined fixed amount, to attend scientific events. Available fields. Lithuania State Scholarships 2024 provides diverse academic disciplines including life sciences, informatics, physical sciences, engineering, veterinary sciences, mathematics, agriculture, health sciences, art, education sciences, sport, technological sciences. Eligibility criteria. Only international applicants from Armenia, Azerbaijan, Belarus, China, Georgia, Israel, Japan, Moldova, South Korea, Ukraine, or individuals of Lithuanian descent from non-EU and non-EFTA nations are eligible. Admission requirements. Applicants must gain admission to Lithuanian scholarships for full-time master's degree programs. Language requirement. All master's programs will be conducted in English. Proficiency in English is essential for pursuing a master's degree. Educational qualifications. Completion of an undergraduate degree in the relevant field is mandatory for commencing a master's program. Documents required. To apply for Lithuania State Scholarships 2024 in Europe, international students are required to submit the following documents. Updated CV. Previous academic records. Copy of passport, for non-Europeans, or national identity, for Europeans. At least one recommendation letter. Research proposal. IELTS, TEFL or English proficiency certificate result. How to apply. The application process for the Lithuania State Scholarships 2024 in Europe opportunity is conducted online. Don't miss out on this chance. Apply now by clicking the official website below. Online Apply Video Guide. For students encountering difficulties with the online application process, I've prepared an instructional video. You can watch Online Apply Video Guide by two ways. First method. You can easily access the tutorial video by clicking on the link provided in the video description or comment section. Once you're on the Scholarship Guidebook website, simply scroll down to find the tutorial video located at the bottom. Second method. Another way to access the tutorial is by visiting scholarshipguidebook.com. Let me demonstrate how to do it.